Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We welcome you in the computer lab of Madrasa Baitul Ulum Sindagi. As you can see, there are 32 systems inside this lab, and Alhamdulillah all are in working condition. And I am here to introduce you about our computer lab and the details about computer we are going to teach. So as you can see, here is the rough sketch of the syllabus displayed on the board, but soon we are going to fix LED TV here so that it will be working as a board to the student that will be connected to the main system, that is the teacher's system, and teacher will teach everything digitally to the students. So talking about the computers, first of all, we are having Dell computers, and it is having a Core 2 Duo processor with 4 GB of RAM, 500 GB hard disk. For a student, it is more than enough to study or learn computer. So we are trying our level best to provide the latest systems and latest syllabus to the students. As you can see, there are 32 systems, and on each system only one student is permitted, so that there will not be merging up. Every student will practice his own. So talking about the syllabus, let's come to the board now. We are having Windows 10 in all of the systems, but before going to Windows 10, we are taking enough time to practice basic operations of the computer, like handling mouse, handling keyboard, booting of computer, shutting down computer, opening windows, and basic tasks. Those are very necessary to do on computer. So we are taking enough time and enough practice we are providing students so that they will be able to do basic tasks. After they reach to the certain level, we are starting our main syllabus. The operating system we are using here is Windows 10, and it is the latest operating system out now. So while teaching Windows 10 and after going out from this lab, student will not feel that the education they took here or the syllabus they learned here is out of date now. So what is working outside or what is going on outside, we are taking that only. So the first one we are taking is Windows 10. Then after that we are going for MS Office. That is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and other office stuff included there. So after teaching MS Office, student will be able to perform all the office tasks. Those are done on computer. So after completion of MS Office, we are taking students to the in-page Urdu, so that they will be able to make documents and their all the Urdu stuff they can do it on computer. So after in-page, we are going for Corel Draw. That is very necessary software, important software, and in Corel Draw it is very useful for making high definition images and logos and all that. So Corel Draw is also important. After that we go for Photoshop. That is also very practical software, and it is widely used in photo studios and for editing any photo. That is very useful. So we are also teaching Photoshop. After that, practice we are taking here. It is the typing practice of almost 4 languages at a time. Like we are obviously taking computer in English. Then after that, we are also providing typing practice of Urdu. Along with Urdu, Arabic is there, and finally Kannada is there. So at a time, student will be practicing 4 languages. They will be typing in 4 languages, not all at once, but one by one. They will be practicing and mastering, inshallah, each language at a time. So As you see, typing is completed. Then the next course that is very important and very crucial for the generation, and that is very demanded course outside, that is hardware and networking. This is the course which is job guaranteeing course, we can say. So hardware and networking also we are taking here, and that is also going to be very thorough and detailed. After hardware and networking, the next course that is also job offering course and very much in demand course, that is Tally. So Tally is also a job offering course, and we are taking thorough and detailed practice and teaching of Tally. After that, we are going for internet, and in internet we will teach them working of internet and basic things in internet. After that, we will be taking them to the email. So making email ID, sending mails, receiving mails, attachment, all that stuff. After that, we will be taking them to the social media, that is the Facebook and Twitter and WhatsApp. There are many social media websites online available. So we are also teaching them those stuff. After that, we will be teaching them the browsing, that is opening of website and working on website and making other stuffs on website. So as you can see, there are two types of course going on here. First one is offline, second one is online. And as I told you, we are providing enough time, and even I can say that more than enough time to the students for practicing each and everything that they learned here. So we are not only going to take only theory classes or only practical classes, but a complete computer education will be there. So offline and online internet classes. After that, we are also going to provide a certification of the course they are doing here. Like they will be not only having the knowledge, but they will also have the written proof of the education they are taking here. On that certification, they will have their name and the details of the course they did, and everything they are doing here will be mentioned there. And that certification is issued from the very renowned institute, and we are trying to collaborate that institute with us. So inshallah, soon we will be giving certifications to the student, only to those students who have completed their course here. So in this manner, we are going to work, and we are trying our level best to educate everyone in computer sector, in computer field. That's all for now, and I request you to pray for our computer lab. Jazakallahu khair. Assalam.